here on the Honda stand at CES, and they've just opened up the floodgates so that people can go and have a bit of a closer look around the Honda Zero Saloon and then the Honda Zero SUV. So we're going to have a quick walk around. Absolutely stunning front of this very Italian 1990s Lamborghini. You can see those carbon fiber. This has got the Honda new logo. You can see there. That's only going to be on the electrified version of it. 4-seater, beautiful coupe with that carbon fiber wheels. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's have a walk around that as people are taking pictures. Let's have a look at the rear. You have, oh yeah, that kind of like parallax effect on the Honda typography and the brake light. Oh, we're going to have a whole little show here now as well. More carbon fiber. Michelin Pilot Sports 20-inch wheels, and you can see inside. Yeah, beautiful. That is the Honda Zero Saloon. And then over here you have the Honda Zero SUV. Stunning. And this has a hinge at the top and it opens up. Kind of like, I'm not sure what you consider it like. It's like a piece of luggage. I'm going to scooch outside all of these people. And then, yeah. Again, I think a 4-seater. No, that's a 5-seater SUV. Looks like the charging flap is on the front left-hand corner. And you have that Honda new logo, as we talked about already. And there's pixel LED lights. Gorgeous.
Of course I do, Lucy. I remember Emma too.
This is
when I laugh with my friends.
Massive screen in the background here. That is the Honda Zero Saloon and the Honda Zero SUV here at CES. I'm going to see if I can come back and try and get the inside tomorrow. I've got an email got into somebody, but I'm not sure if it's going to happen. Yeah, let me know what you think. Concepts, will they come to market? But every year they're getting closer and closer. We saw it last year as well. Much more concepty last year, whereas this year, getting definitely a bit closer. Thanks.